Israelites, how can the Most High do anything for you if you do not believe He can? The Bible said if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to the mountain, move, and it will uproot and move. Nothing will be impossible for you.
And Jesus said unto them, Because of your unbelief. For verily I say unto you, if ye have faith as a grain of mustard seed, ye shall say unto this mountain, Remove hence to yonder place, and it shall remove, and nothing shall be impossible unto you.
Israelites, the word mountain in Matthew 17 verse 20 is a metaphor. Mountain represent your trials and tribulations, your everyday struggle. We all have to face these struggles at some point in our lives. For some of us, depending on the size of our destiny, the struggle may seem continuous. The kingdom of darkness wants to prevent you from accomplishing the destiny Yah set for you. Satan will send his angels to attack and discourage you. In the meantime, while you are distracted by the spiritual barricade set by the kingdom of darkness, Satan will try to switch your destiny. In Matthew 17 verse 20, the Most High was informing his people, the Israelites, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can triumphant over your problems. A mustard seed is extremely small. However, this tiny seed produced big, strong branches. The scriptures reveal even the birds can rest on its branches.
Another parable put he forth unto them, saying, The kingdom of heaven is like to a grain of mustard seed, which a man took, and sowed in his field, which indeed is the least of all seeds, but when it is grown, it is the greatest among herbs, and becometh a tree, so that the birds of the air come and lodge in the branches thereof.
If you have just a little faith in the Most High's ability to intervene in your circumstances, the results will be massive and worth the wait. From your little faith, the Most High can turn your life around in seconds, but you have to believe He is able to do this for you. Many of you have been praying effective prayers, repeating the word of Yah back to Him, just as the scriptures reveal that we must remind the Most High of His words.
Put me in remembrance, let us plead together. Declare thou, that thou mayest be justified. I will worship toward thy holy temple, and praise thy name for thy loving kindness, and for thy truth. For thou hast magnified thy word above all thy name.
The Most High has placed His words above His name. That is why Yah wants you to remind Him of His words. Behind His words lies powers to manifest what is being said. Yah spoke the world into existence. That is why it is important to use His words and remind Him of His words. The Most High said His words will not return to Him void. It will accomplish what He sent it to do. Many of you believe your prayers are not strong enough to get the Most High to intervene on your behalf. Majority of you believe your prayers are ineffective. That is why you're not seeing results. The truth is your prayers are not your problem. Matter of fact, you are praying wonderful, effective prayers, and the Most High hear your prayers. Yah wants to intervene on your behalf and send His angels to fight for you. The problem many of you are facing is that you cancel your prayers after you're done praying and doubt.
But let him ask in faith, nothing wavering, for he that wavereth is like a wave of the sea driven with the wind and tossed. For let not that man think that he shall receive anything of the Lord. A double-minded man is unstable in all his ways.
The scriptures reveal a person who is double-minded is unstable in all that he or she does. Not only are you unstable, but you will never receive the assistance you need from the Most High. In the Spirit Realm series, I talk a lot about the word of Yah, how you must use His words to give the Most High permission to fight on your behalf. Yes, Israelites, you have to grant the Most High permission to intervene. Remember, He gave us dominion on earth. In order for unclean spirits and the Spirit of the Most High to operate in this physical realm, they need your permission. In order for you to grant them permission, a covenant or an agreement must be established. To establish a covenant with the Most High, you must come into agreement with His words. Israelites, what sense would it make to pray an effective prayer packed with the word of Yah? After your prayer, you cancel your prayer and doubt the Most High. In addition, you don't believe the Most High is capable to accomplish your requests. Too many Israelites are canceling their prayers through unbelief. Israelites, your problems will always be the kingdom of darkness. It will never be flesh and blood. Every emotion and personality traits are spirits. Some spirits are good and some spirits are bad. For example, the spirit of love and meekness are good, and the spirit of lust, greed, and doubt are bad spirits. You have to attack the spirit that is causing you to stumble. If you doubt the Most High sovereignty, it is the kingdom of darkness placing the doubts in your mind. Therefore, you have to attack the spirit of doubt or the specific spirit causing you to feel this way. The scriptures reveal to cast down wicked imaginations that raise itself against the knowledge of Yah.
Casting down imaginations and every high thing that exalteth itself against the knowledge of God, and bringing into captivity every thought to the obedience of Christ.
If an unclean spirit whisper into your mind that your prayer was bad and ineffective, that spirit also proclaims Yah is not going to intervene on your behalf. You must shut that devil down and counter that spirit with the word of Yah. Find a scripture that will counter the doubt the unclean spirit is placing in your mind. For example, if an unclean spirit say to me, your prayer will not work, what you're asking for is impossible, I would counter this devil with, is there anything too hard for the Most High?
Behold, I am the Lord, the God of all flesh. Is there anything too hard for me?
I will also say to that unclean spirit, what is impossible with man is possible with Yah.
And he said, the things which are impossible with men are possible with God.
Just by repeating those scriptures, it will uplift your spirit and attack the unclean spirit, causing that wicked devil to flee from you. Israelites, this is what you must do to counter the devils placing these negative thoughts in your mind. After you're done praying, it is important to watch your thoughts because unclean spirits will come to establish a covenant. When you believe the negative thoughts, you just establish a covenant with the kingdom of darkness. The unclean spirit has the right to implement the agreement they made with you. Israelites, what the kingdom of darkness is trying to achieve when they place doubt in your mind, they are trying to block your prayers and block the Most High from intervening on your behalf. The book of Daniel in the Bible reveals Daniel prayed an effective prayer. The Most High answered his prayer at that very moment Daniel finished praying. We also learn Yah sent an angel to give Daniel the response. We learn a prince in that region blocked Yah's angel to prevent him to give Daniel the answer to his prayer. The prince in the scripture is referring to a demon. Prince is short for principality, which is a chief devil in a region. The kingdom of darkness has a hierarchy and they all work together to accomplish their goal. That is why a person can have legions of devils influencing them. Now you will better understand Ephesians 6 and 12 when they say we wrestle not with flesh and blood, but with principalities. A principality is a higher ranking devil that control a region or a country. Satan is not omnipresent. He has stationed devils all over the world to oversee certain regions. The Most High can be everywhere at the same time. The angel Yah sent to give Daniel the response, that angel had to go and get a higher ranking angel to assist him. He went to get Michael, an archangel, to fight this devil because the angel was not strong enough to fight that higher level principality in that region. It took 21 days for Daniel to receive a response from the Most High.
He said, Daniel, you who are highly esteemed, consider carefully the words I'm about to speak to you, and stand up, for I have now been sent to you. And when he said this to me, I stood up trembling. Then he continued, do not be afraid, Daniel. Since the first day that you set your mind to gain understanding and to humble yourself before your God, your words were heard, and I have come in response to them. But the prince of the Persian kingdom resisted me 21 days. Then Michael, one of the chief princes, came to help me, because I was detained there with the king of Persia. Now I have come to explain to you what will happen to your people in the future, for the vision concerns a time yet to come.
The principality in that region blocked Daniel from receiving his answer for 21 days. I am sure Daniel continued to pray effective prayers. That is why the Most High commanded Michael to fight the higher ranking devil. If Daniel doubted while waiting on the Most High, Yah would not have allowed Michael to help the angel. If you want the Most High to intervene on your behalf, you must stand firm and persevere. You cannot pray, then doubt because you feel Yah is taking too long to answer your prayers. There are numerous reasons to why it is taking the Most High time to answer your prayers. One of the reasons, demons can stand in the way of the angel with your answer to cause a delay. That is when you must rebuke the spirit of delay. We learn in the scriptures that Daniel had an excellent spirit. Daniel fasted for many days and seek the Most High. He was determined to serve the Most High. You must share the same determination as Daniel. Israelites, the scriptures reveal some devils will flee from you only through prayer and fasting.
Howbeit this kind goeth not out, but by prayer and fasting.
While you are waiting on your answer, include fasting into your life. When I shared a snippet of my testimony last Sabbath of my boss getting me fired, my prayer to the Most High was to vindicate me. The kingdom of darkness bombarded me with all kinds of doubts. The kingdom of darkness used people to try to convince me to sue my former employer. If I listened to them and sue, I would be taking matters into my own hands, also eliminating the Most High from assisting in my situation. The kingdom of darkness tried everything to get me to retaliate. I kept praying and casting down wicked thoughts and shift my focus to rebuilding my life. Israelites, my former boss did not get fired right away. It was a process. While the Most High was working behind the scene, I did not get in his way nor worry whether or not he would vindicate me. I did not beg the Most High every day and night after my prayer to vindicate me. I asked, then trust, and moved on. It took almost a year before my former boss was fired. When the Most High accomplished what he deemed just concerning my situation, he sent my former coworker to inform my sister who passed the message to me. Israelites, if you're going to serve the Most High, you must serve him his way. You cannot ask the Most High for assistance, then turn around and command the Most High to do it your way. The Most High is the only judge, and he will judge your circumstance the way he sees fit.
Good and upright is the Lord. Therefore will he teach sinners in the way. For there is no respect of persons with God.
The scriptures reveal our thoughts are not Yah's thoughts, neither is our ways. The Most High's thoughts and ways are higher than ours. You must trust and believe the Most High will fight for you even if it takes 10 years. For your information, the amount of time it takes to vindicate you depends on the size of your faith and trust in the Most High. Let's say you pray and ask the Most High for a house. For 2 years, you consistently pray for a house. However, you never take the necessary steps to achieve your home ownership goals. By sitting around for 2 years, you delay your blessings. If sin is in your life, you delay your blessings. If you doubt, you delay your blessings. If you give up, you delay your blessings. The scripture said we would reap if we faint not.
And let us not be weary in well-doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not.
Israelites, if it seems as if nothing is happening in your life after you prayed an effective prayer, this does not indicate the Most High did not hear your prayers, nor does the Most High's silence reveal he is not working on your breakthrough. Israelites, if you're being attacked repeatedly and it never seems to stop, that is good news. Stop looking at it from a negative perspective. The increased attack reveals several things. The devils that once occupied and influenced your mind was cast out. That devil is now fighting to get its position back in your life. The scriptures reveal once the devil has been cast out, it searches for a new house. If it can't find a new house, then the devil will return to its former house and bring along 7 spirits more wicked than it to retain its position. If that individual is not maintaining their deliverance, that spirit will prevail against that individual. The results, his or her condition will be worse than before.
When the unclean spirit is gone out of a man, he walketh through dry places seeking rest, and findeth none. Then he saith, I will return into my house from whence I came out. And when he is come, he findeth it empty, swept, and garnished. Then goeth he, and taketh with himself 7 other spirits more wicked than himself, and they enter in and dwell there. And the last state of that man is worse than the first. Even so shall it be also unto this wicked generation.
Israelites, you must fight back. The unclean spirits that once occupied you is now fighting to gain its position in your life. You must do what the Bible said. Submit to Yah, resist the devils, and they will flee from you.
Submit yourselves therefore to God. Resist the devil, and he will flee from you.
This is not the time to complain. The unclean spirits are doing what they are supposed to do, which is attack you. They're not going to stop just because you say stop. Rebuke the spirit of frustration and continue to persevere. If the same demons keep coming back, your prayers was answered. Now what you must do is resist these devils. Put on the whole armor of Yah to stand against the kingdom of darkness. As long as you're doing what the Most High required of you, no good thing would he withhold from you. The Most High will not forsake you. Patience is a virtue. 1,000 years is like 1 day to the Most High. Yah is always on time.
But beloved, be not ignorant of this one thing, that 1 day is with the Lord as 1,000 years, and 1,000 years is 1 day. The Lord is not slack concerning his promise, as some men count slackness, but is long-suffering to usward, not willing that any should perish, but that all should come to repentance. Wait on the Lord. Be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thine heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord.
Israelites, it's about time that you trust the Most High. I have seen the Most High intervene on my behalf on numerous occasions. As long as you're following his will for your life, the Most High will fight for you. Too many Israelites are serving the Most High with their lips. You can fool men, but you cannot fool Yah. He knows what's in your heart. Examine yourself and allow the Most High to show you the areas of your life he wants to work on before he can bless you. Did you hear me? Yah will be the one to cleanse you of the sins he identified in you. Israelites, you have to believe the Most High exists and that he is able to do what he said he would do for the righteous. The Most High said to cast your cares upon him because he cares for you.
Casting all your care upon him, for he careth for you. Cast thy burden upon the Lord, and he shall sustain thee. He shall never suffer the righteous to be moved.
Once you cast your cares upon him, do not try to take matters into your own hands. If you take it out of Yah's hands and try to fix the situation yourself, you are making your situation worse. The Most High will let you do what you want because he will not violate your free will. Israelites, let the Most High be the one to handle all your problems.
But without faith it is impossible to please him. For he that cometh to God must believe that he is, and that he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him.